Right then guys, we have a bed. We have something to tick off our list. So we've got the bed done. So we've got 1 week now. So 1 week to do as much as we can, obviously, off the list. Hopefully we can at least get the diesel heater in, have some heat in here, maybe the fridge, that'd be nice. And some furniture so that we've got storage. Now obviously we've got storage in the bed. I'll probably put some footage on the screen now just to show you when we was completing the bed and showing how it worked. That there is some large storage areas in the bed, so that's good. But if we could get a bit of furniture in also to cook on the top and things like that, that would be great. And obviously Mark's currently hooking up the electric to the vehicle battery, so that should be done, so we don't have to worry about that. So we'll have some power, so that'd be nice. Heat would be of course very nice for me, because as we all know, I do feel the cold a little bit. Got my coffee, because we all know I can't do without my coffee either. So let's get cracking and do as much as possible. Yeah.
So if you take this out, then it's 65 litres, or if it's 50 litres.
Yeah, so you got to include your ice box bit.
Yeah.
But
which you would use, wouldn't you? Especially in the summer.
No, that's not on.
Yeah. Get a little ice tray as well with this.
Good, isn't it?
Just want to get out and look. Quite a cute one with a little.
It's silicone, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
it's a silicone.
It's good, so it won't break.
Won't spill or anything. It's actually
the
alright.
Little ones that all break, don't they? Crack. That's good. That one is. Okay, so on to the next bit. So we get the fridge put in place, as in bolted in, won't we?
Yeah.
And the diesel heater, we've got to put the tank on the side. And then obviously, remember guys, this is just for our trip, which is in a week's time. Getting closer. This is the part where I like to double check I've got the panel the right way around and everything, because the brand doesn't work like it used to. What's that?
The oral screw holder. Get in.
Okay, so we have some furniture in. Okay, so we're just putting the worktop in. Got cupboards all along. No doors yet, but we've got cupboards.
Yep.
Shelves are going in a minute, aren't they, Mark?
Yep.
So all we've got to do now is make this worktop fit the cupboards.
Yeah.
And as you can see there, it goes in.
With a little overhang.
Yeah. Testing ply. I don't think that's where we're going to have them.
What?
And it's half the thickness, and you won't be sitting on it. You have a spread across.
Yeah.
There's no way that's going to take you out. Can't wait for you to fall on the floor.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, watch your back when you fall. Can they?
Oh, I ain't lifting my feet, but yeah.
Look like you're sitting to have a poo.
No.
Testing.
I don't think it would take me like that thickness.
You don't think?
No. I'm just going to give you a rough look at what we've done.
So worktop's in, all cut round everything, and we've got cupboards in. Like I say, we're going to cut some shelves now, and that's going to be it for the trip that we've got planned, as we've mentioned. We can't get anything more done now. So we've got to be satisfied, haven't we, Mark, that we've got a bed this time. We've got a bit of storage space. We've got a fridge. We've got a heater, and we've got the electrics. So we've got to be happy with that.
Yeah, there's a few little minor stuff to do, I think.
Yeah,
I think we could do with the curtains putting up there maybe, and the front blind needs cutting, doesn't it?
Yeah, but I think mostly we're going to a point where it's a bit more comfortable to have a trip.
Yeah.
So I'm happy with that.
Okay, I don't know whether it's luck or judgment. I'm going to say judgment. So obviously we still need to put a divider panel through here, but where we've got our battery, you can see these are what, 10 litre ones, are they? 10 litre, yeah. So we'll have our grey and fresh. We've got a nice little
so sink will be going in that bit there, and then trying down to here.
Divider here.
And divider there, and so above the water there we will be able to fit some of the kitchen stuff.
Yep.
Pots and pans.
And stuff like that.
Under here, incidentally, above the fridge, we're going to have like a drawer runner, so that will have the induction hob in.
Yeah, so we can pull it out on a
again runner. Not going to be done for this trip, so
no. We're going to be satisfied. We've done
a lot of work the last 2 weeks.
We'll have a comfortable bed. We'll have somewhere to prepare food. This will need covering up temporarily because we have got the stain, haven't we? But
like I say, we ain't got the time to do it, so I'll just put a cover over that for now, and then when we get back we can do even more jobs. Loads still to be done, ceiling still to be put up. Loads to be done.
A blind to put up over there.
Yeah.
There. there is a window if you've seen on the videos.
Never. I don't think we've ever took that off since we made it.
There is a window there. There's two blinds over it.
And then, like I say, if we can get them curtains up, great. If not, we have been away without them. We've got the other blinds, so I ain't too fussed. If we can, we can. Great. So I'm happy with that. Okay, everyone. This is like our temporary covers on the mattress. Have to last us a couple of months. Give me a bit more time to get some proper covers made on the sewing machine. These will be warm. But this is a full-size double bed setup, and I will just show you now how we can have it as a U-shape for dining, and then an L-shape setup for just a bigger sofa area. For this trip that we're going on, we will have the L-shaped sofa and leave it out because it gives us a bit more storage, because we haven't got the doors on the cupboards yet, so we need a little bit more storage under the bed. So this is our setup. We're going to get it all ready, get the van packed up, and we're on our way first thing in the morning. Okay, so with this setup, as you can see, full-size double bed, we can still access the fridge. Could actually still access the hob that's going under here and the worktop. We'll be able to access the kitchen cupboard. If we wanted the water, we'd just move this particular part of the bed back in, and that would be fine. And there will be two more cupboards over there eventually. As you can see, there's still quite a bit of room here. Toilet will pull out of here. So again, decent amount of room, even when the bed's down. There's quite a bit of room at the back by the doors. Now we have got some boxes to fit there. So that'll help again with storage. And these leads nicely tucked there, which obviously is accessible. Have now got the blackout blinds in, temporarily of course, because we haven't done the ceiling yet. Okay, and there you go, look, the ceiling. Okay, so we'll leave the video in there for now.
Yep.
And say, let me switch you around. So that's it for this week. We've ticked off the majority of stuff off that list, to be fair. I'm really pleased. We've worked hard the past 2 weeks and it's been freezing. Yeah. And we've not been very well, hence the sniffing and the coughing. Yeah.
We got some more travel, we'll have some travel videos coming up, and obviously some more van build videos as well. Yeah. But we intend to use the van as when
yeah, so we're going to try and do a bit on the van and travel a bit now that it's at this point.
It gives you an opportunity. If something doesn't work quite how you want it to, you can make adjustments as well, can't you?
Yeah.
But I think happy with that.
So we'll say bye for this one. See you next time.
Cheerio.
So I just thought I'd show you the view we woke up to this morning. You ready? A waterfall.